In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pay someone else's Metro's by T-Mobile phone bill, pay bill as guest. Firstly, go to Metro's by T-Mobile Pay as a guest page. Enter the 10-digit Metro phone number you're paying for, then re-enter to confirm. Click Next to proceed. If it's Metro by T-Mobile number, you'll be redirected to the guest payment form. Enter the payment amount, then provide your credit or debit card information. Guest payments can be one-time, no account login required. Just submit your payment. Those post almost immediately, often within 2 hours. You'll receive a payment confirmation. The recipient can check their balance via My Metro app or online account or get a payment notifications. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.